इट आल्सो गिव दैट टू इंश्योर दैट हमारी जो क्यूआरस हैं वो कम्पिटिटिव हो, न कि एक पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड का हो। इससे होता क्या है कि एक तो हमें प्रॉपर प्राइस मिलता है और दूसरा हमारे ओन इंडस्ट्री को प्रमोट होने का मौका देता है। और इस एरेना के द्वारा, इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के द्वारा हमें एक कोलैबोरेटिव अप्रोच लेने का मौका मिलता है, जिससे कि हम अपने सिस्टम को आगे बढ़ाते रहें और जो ऑलरेडी रिसर्च होगा उसके ऊपर अपना टाइम वेस्ट ना करें। आपके साथ जो है, मैं जो भी ऑर्गेनाइजर हैं उनको मैं थैंकफुल करना चाहूँगा कि ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म को उन्होंने ऑर्गेनाइज किया।
आप खुद सर पुलिस महकमे से हैं, सिक्योरिटी को लेके कितने अलर्ट भी रहते हैं, फिर भी क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आज की जनता के साथ?
देखिए, चैलेंजेस सिक्योरिटी की है। जितनी टेक्नोलॉजी इम्प्रूव होती जाती है, चैलेंजेस उतने बढ़ते जाते हैं। अब उस चैलेंजेस को करने के लिए हमारे पास जो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, मशीन लर्निंग के नए नए प्लेटफॉर्म्स आ रहे हैं, हम उसको कैसे यूटिलाइज करते हैं और साथ साथ हम अपने डिजिटल सिक्योरिटी को कैसे फुल प्रूफ बनाते हैं, ये एक चैलेंजिंग जॉब होता है। और ये हम डे टू डे अपने आप को अपग्रेड करना पड़ता है। हमें एज ए सिक्योरिटी यूनिट आल्सो, जब तक से हम पढ़ेंगे नहीं, जब तक से इंडस्ट्री से इंटरेक्ट नहीं करेंगे, हमें जो है एक तरह से अपने सिस्टम को परफॉर्म करने का, इम्प्रूव करने का कोई मौका नहीं मिलेगा। तो ये प्लेटफॉर्म हमें उसके लिए बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म देता है कि हम अपने आप को अपग्रेड करते रहें। थैंक यू।
And this is the fifth edition, fifth year of this campaign, where what we do is put some signature shows together, and we have identified the last quarter of the calendar year as the most robust quarter for business. And this year it starts around end of September and runs till end of December, mid-December. And IFSEC is the last show in this quarter. We are ending this campaign now with this IFSEC, but we did 13 trade shows in this, in around 12 different verticals, creating a lot of business opportunities for various industries in this last 3 months or so. Having said one more thing, what we did is we also launched a new corporate video in this quarter to mark this 5th edition and our 18 years of presence in India. I'd like to present this new corporate video of Inform Markets to this industry for the first time. I'm sure you like it.
In this era of rapid technological advancement, it is crucial to harness cutting-edge tools like artificial intelligence, cyber security protocols, and IoT to fortify not just system but also the people and process that drive them. At the same time, collaboration across industries, geographies, and sectors is the key to creating a safer and more secure world. Today's event is not just about showcasing groundbreaking technologies and solutions. It is about forging partnership, exchanging ideas, and building a collective vision for the future. I encourage each one of you to actively engage, learn, and share your insights throughout the day. Let's make the most of this platform to create a ripple effect of innovation and excellence in our field. Before I conclude, I would like to express my gratitude to organizers of IFSEC India for bringing us all together on this significant.
Wanting to have a better solution, not just a solution. So here is where you get the better solutions for what you are looking for. Attendees have opportunities to discover new technologies, gain valuable knowledge, and network with the industry. Exhibiting or attending IFSEC provides unparalleled opportunities to connect with the industry, showcase or discover innovations, and stay ahead in a rapidly evolving security and fire safety landscape. I would like to mention a special highlight is IFSEC's initiative to recognize the best CSOs in the government, semi-government and private sectors, promoting and adopting the cutting edge technologies. Ultimately, as a seller, I would like my equipment to go into the industry.
I attended the last IFSEC in Mumbai also. Being into government and being a technical advisor to a lot more of technical projects in the recent decade. When I started my career as a forensic scientist and expert, that time we used to receive certain footages, different crimes, small footages and all. It was very difficult to give any opinion on that because hardly you will be able to see, and everything which used to happen used to happen manually. You have to sit in front of that huge screen and you have to tell, is there any individual, is there any vehicle, if vehicle is there, what type of vehicle is. But if you see today, the technology, when it is integrated with AI, it is not only telling the vehicle, it is telling the vehicle number also. It is also telling if the integration of fingerprint, facial and other biometric details. So initially, before this system, there used to be manual examination of fingerprint used to happen, and it used to take a lot of time and efforts to compare the print with the database and all. So when this this biometric system implemented, and 12 lakh prints from CID was uploaded on the system. So on the same day, 1200 arrests occurred in government of in Maharashtra. So this is the transformation.
And I just want to say how delighted I am to be joining you all today. I feel like the newbie in the room. This is my first IFSEC, so I'm very excited to be here. But this is absolutely not the first time the UK is here. This is the second consecutive year we have a pavilion, and we are delighted to be back, and we're delighted to be the only country here representing and demonstrating our commitment with a country pavilion. And that is because I think there is a natural partnership between the UK and India on security. India's strengths on security are well known. We have just watched and admired how you have run the world's largest democratic exercise with really minimal risks involved. The security and the control and the way in which the democratic mandate has been run has been really inspirational to see, and that speaks a lot to the strength of your sector. And in the UK security and defence sector is the third largest exporter in the world, and British companies are at the forefront of designing and developing and manufacturing cutting-edge technologies and continuing to invest in R&D and to bring forward the next generation of support. But it's not just at that level. We have really strong government-to-government commitment, and our Prime Ministers met 2 or 3 weeks ago now at the G20 summit, and when they met, they agreed to renew our comprehensive and strategic partnership. And we will be doing that over the next few months. And one thing I can absolutely guarantee you is that security and our security relationship will be absolutely at the heart of that bilateral relationship. Countries can work together in lots of different fields, but unless you have strong security cooperation, you don't have the levels of trust and support that you really need. So I'm very excited by that. And I'm excited too by the Technology Security Initiative that we launched earlier in the summer together, which sets out how the two countries will collaborate in 7 new and emerging technologies that will define IFSECs for generations to come. So I look forward to coming back and seeing how you're dealing with quantum in 10 years' time. So we're basically focused on the same security challenges. We're facing the same issues around crime, tackling terrorism.
Very much privileged to address this gathering. I must thanks to organizer Pankaj Jain and Yogesh, who has invited me as a chief guest. The other dignitaries who are on the dais and the person and delegates who are in the hall for presenting this 17th IFSEC. If I start with my keynotes, before that I must address the old horses who are here sitting in front of me. Mr. Iqbal Singh Jagdeva, who started in 2001 when I was here. I joined as a Delhi police. I couldn't see any technocrat. But since my passion started in 1991 with the spirit of Russia, and I was in Defense Force, where my overhauling facility was to be done in Kyiv, and we were left with nothing than to develop our own system. And we established Naval Aircraft Yard Goa for overhauling the ASW system. With that experience, in 2001, when I joined Delhi Police, immediately we had a problem in Parliament. And I was assigned that task to give the security gadgets to the Parliament. It was totally new to me. But yes, but magnetic and armored detectors which were used in defense And the experience of that helped me to find out the best security gadgets required for Parliament security, thereafter the Supreme Court security, then go on High Courts, and all over India High Courts SOP was developed by me for security under the chairmanship of Justice Kabir, Justice Ravinder and Justice G.K. Jain.
We take all those segments, your thoughts and your suggestions forward in our upcoming edition. So thank you for making our 17th edition so very special with that wonderful talk. A round of applause once again for him. Taking these
Huge passion for Kishore Kumar and cricket. Okay, my speeches are incomplete, if I don't talk about them. So let me start it this way. 365 days, me and my team, we live and breathe IFSEC. Okay, so it's the effort of the entire team for the entire year, and then the final product you see is down there. I have two industry stalwarts, my friends, Mr. Ashish Dhakan and Mr. Aditya Khemkaji sitting here. They have been with us in this journey since 2007. I think their organizations also kind of started in that particular year, if I remember it right. And they have also seen the ups and downs the show has gone through, right? I'm very, very proud to tell them and all of you that this is the largest IFSEC show we have put together this year. The show was sold out 15 days before. And we are only going to grow from here. Thank you, all of you, for taking time out and sharing your insights. Ma'am, as a childhood boy, I'm a small town boy, I used to have a childhood dream of watching test matches in Lord's and Oval. I ticked those boxes. Most importantly, I love London for the reason that my idol, Kapil Dev Nikhanj, on 25th June 1983, India lifted the first Cricket World Cup. And that poster was always there in my school room, my college room. So thank you for that. My team, in my team also, my project director, I tell him he's the Cheteshwar Puja.
Security show since 2007. As a part of world's leading portfolio of security and safety fire events, IFSEC India is South Asia's preeminent authority on security products and solutions. What this event showcases is security products and technologies pertaining to CCTV, video surveillance, biometrics, RFID, access control, GPS assist, parking automation, traffic control, among many others. And as you know, AI is one of the very important factors which has been an integral part of the industry now. Let me introduce the panelists who have joined me here today, then I'll talk more about the event. So, sitting to the left of me is our chief guest for this inauguration today, DCP Delhi Traffic Police, HQ and Road Safety. We have Mr. Ashish Dhakan, as you all know, he is the managing director and CEO of Pramahik Vision, one of the most prominent companies in the security domain in India. Then sitting to the right of me is Pankaj Jain, who is a senior group director at Info Markets in India. And sitting next to him is Ms. Christina Scott, who is Deputy High Commissioner, UK High Commission in India. They have a very high-end UK pavilion at this show. And they're coming back after last year. This is the second time they are here back with us. And myself, as you all know, I'm Managing Director Info Markets in India, Yogesh Mutras. So just talking about this show, this is the largest ever IFSEC show that we are putting for the security space. This year, we have over 300 brands present on the show floor. Over 5,000 products and technologies are being showcased across the show floor. Over this next 3 days, we are expecting at least 12,000 trade visitors to come in, which will include system integrators, your trade visitors, you will have the people from government, private sector, end users, everybody walking in to see these technologies which are really taking this industry to a very next level. And having said that, we also have a very robust conference where about 14 different sessions from 40 different speakers, some eminent speakers from international speakers are talking about various topics like how to embed artificial intelligence into this technology, what is the future of AI. So there's enough for everybody to do. We also have the 7th edition of IFSEC Awards this year, where the IFSEC India is going to recognize the stalwarts of the industry who have done some fantastic work, individuals, organizations, CSOs who have done some fantastic work in this security domain in this last 1 year or so. So over these 3 days, the entire security industry is going to be here at Pragati Maidan in the heart of Delhi, our capital. So that's something from my side. I'll pass on the mic to each of the speakers, and then they could speak about how they are associated with IFSEC, about the security domain as a thing and what specialization they come from, and then we'll open the floor for questions. So first with you, sir.
Good morning to all. It was really pleasant for me to have a chief guest of IFSEC 17th edition. Since 2001 I joined here. I had been having the opportunity to be here with all the exhibitions which were held since then. So I could also realize today, after going through, that the number of participants here, number of industries who have participated is the largest one. And it all credit goes to the Jain and team who has organized such a beautifully. With the end user point of view, I must say that it is a platform where we also learn that what all the technology is emerging in the security arena. And it helps us to design, derive a common QR where more competition can come with the latest technology. So this is the platform, this is the organization where industry, end user and MSI sit together and understand what is the need of the end user. So I must again thanks Mr. Jain and his team and all industry partners who has participated here. With a request
My Vision India Private Limited, and we are associated with IFSEC Informa since 2007, since their inception first show, and we are proud to be associated with IFSEC, and we are seeing the journey of IFSEC all the time, and great hard effort of Pankaj Saab and the whole team, Yogesh, and IFSEC is always being a very good platform for meet and greet to entire industry come together, and all our friends, partners, and even competitors and everyone can come on one platform, can share the thought process, and we can share the industry vision and what industry is going through and where the industry is going to be. Okay, so we can just share, and it is a good platform, And what I can just say that IFSEC by seeing this now, current growth rate, it shows that India is shining, and the way it is the highest ever booth space sold out. Okay, so congratulations to Jain Saab, and it also shows where we are heading to. Okay, so more and more Make in India and more Indian brands and Indian brands are being more promoted. So that part is, we can just see that thanks to our government's whole initiative for Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat. And we see good luck to all of you. And we all exhibitor has taken great amount of effort, in putting this stall and educating lots of technologies. So please do visit, and please, as sir has said, let's market that. What all we have done that. Okay, and let's do it more nicely. That's it from my side.
So rightly said, Ashish, I think this is one of the fastest growing industry in India. It's a $12 billion industry for already. Growing at about 18 to 20% CAGR, which is 3 times our even country GDP growth rate. So it's a very fast growing industry, and on that occasion we have Mr. Johar, who is president of CT Plus, who joined us. CT Plus again is one of the most leading companies in this space. So over to you, sir, to speak.
Thank you. I'll say one thing, that security industry especially, and we all are growing together with Informa. So when we started with smaller things and all. Now, as Pankaj said that this is the largest show, so we'll say that yes, we have put in the largest factory, India's largest factory in.
This is the second time the UK has partnered with IFSEC. We're very proud to have to be returning with a country pavilion. This is the second time we've been here, and we're proud to be the only country that have a pavilion here at the exhibition. And the reason we're here is because the UK and India are natural partners on security. We have brought a group of companies that have a real commitment to India, that have partners in India, and some, in fact, one of them already manufacturing here in India and exporting from India to Africa. So we are committed to building partnerships. This week is all about business opportunities, realising the opportunities that come from a close relationship between two large democracies. So thank you for having us. We're delighted to be here, and we're really excited for what the next few days are going to hold.
Thank you so much. And last but not least, Pankaj Jain, who is the man behind this show, Senior Group Director, ISBA Markets India. He's been leading this show for what, a decade now.
Yeah. So, 2007 is when IFSEC started in India, and I have been in the organization since 2007. So, we've been together. Though as a show, I started doing IFSEC in 2012. Sir, just for you and everybody here, so IFSEC actually is a global brand, and the first IFSEC happened 50 years back, half a century back, in Madam's country, UK. So the journey of IFSEC has actually started in London 50 years back, and currently the show is happening in UK. The UK show just got concluded. I think it was 2nd to 4th of December. And then we have shows in Seoul, South Korea, and of course the show in India. And as you rightly said, Informa is a global organization, so we would always want to expand that, to other countries, and that's where it is. I think as far as the show is concerned, Yogesh just said 300 companies, 300 brands from 20 different countries who are participating. We are expecting at least 14,000 trade visitors from pan-India across the country, and even some adjoining countries. And more than 5,000 technology and products are being showcased here. So that's very briefly about the show. I think we should open it for questions now.
Sure, thanks. So I think